Adobe InCopy has an inbuilt thesaurus to help you find words that you might not think of otherwise. So I'm just going to, let's say, for example, type in a sentence known as TutorTube is a YouTube channel that is based on educational content, just like this. So let's say that I want to change out some of the words. So let's say I want to change out the word educational, but I'm not entirely sure on what I want to change it to. So I'm just going to select this out, and then I'm going to go to Windows, and then once I go to Windows, I'm going to go to Thesaurus. So once the word is selected and I go to Thesaurus, you can see that it says it is looking for the word educational, and it is suggesting me to change it into educative. And here are some suggestions that are given for the word. So I can say instructional. I like this word, so let's say I want to replace this out. So what I can simply do is click on change word, and once I do that, now the sentence has been changed to TutorTube is a YouTube channel that is based on instructional content. I can also do over here and change out the content, but once I select it, nothing happens. I have to click on this picker icon. So if I were to click on it, content is here, and then what I can do is I can search, look up words, and here it says there's content, contented and satisfied. So I don't want to replace with any of these words, so I'm just going to leave as it is. So I'm going to search for based maybe, and then search and grounded, established on. Okay, so I want to use the word established or built. Let's say, for example, I can go to establish and replace that out. So now the sentence looks a bit different, but still gives the same meaning. So TutorTube is a YouTube channel that is established on instructional content. So just like that, you can utilize the thesaurus right here. So I can also go around, type in something like based on. So I typed in the word myself, and I can look it up as well. So there's no synonyms for this one, but I can go over here. Let's say, for example, I want to search for another word for good. I can simply type it in here and press the search bar, and here you can see that there's notepad, decent, respectable, and so forth. So all of these things are provided by the thesaurus inside of Adobe InCopy to help with your language as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.